Hello guys, it's me Judy, a fourth year college student. Today is our recognition day at finally I will receive my certificate na. It's proof of my hard works na katunayang natapos ko ang pinakamahirap na stage ng college. From endless schoolworks, research, and walang tulog na pag-review. Ako si Judy, tamad pero eme lang. Ang goal ko kasi ay makatapos ng may Latin honors, manifesting na sana makuha ko ang goal ko dahil medyo kabado ngayong 4th year. Ikaw ba namang first time makascore ng 4/25? Medyo grade conscious kasi ako. Anong medyo? Baliw, grade conscious ka talaga. After getting our certificates, naghintay na lang kami ng next class which is yung MCC 103. Heto yung mahihika sa kaba dahil actual activities lagi. Dito nasasabak ang pagiging introvert ko. Our instructor wants us to practice public speaking kaya hinahasa niya kami sa part na to. Madalas tumatambay kami sa library kapag vacant at doon nakiki-wifi. Balak sana namin mag-QuadM here kaso bawal. I'm with Angge, nahiwalay kasi si Madam sa amin kaya kaming dalawa lang ang magkasama together with Kay. Nang mag-lunchtime na ay nag-go na kami sa labas to eat. Madalas kinakain namin yung Java rice with chicken pops kaso naubusan kami. Mabenta kasi yun. Bumalik na kami sa library after eating and we're with Madam na. Waiting na rin kasi siya sa next class niya tas bawal guluhin dahil may quiz sila. After our class in MCC 103, tumambay kami sa may mga couches while waiting kay Glyza na nasa comfort room. Then I saw this cute Mingming. Oh, diba? May mga jewels ang aming campus. So that's it for a glimpse of my day. Recognition Day, a moment I'll never forget. Grabe, all the hard work and sacrifices really paid off. And I'm so grateful for everyone who supported me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and follow for more life moments. See you in my next mini vlog.